Hey friends, this is Latif Well, and welcome to the new update on CELER or CELR network token. A few days back on 30th of June, we had a very big event, and that was the stacking mainnet launch on 30th of June, and this post was added on 9th of June on CoinMarketCal, and this was also on the roadmap on CELER network. And if we watch on the live chart, on the daily chart, then we can see this was the 9th of June when it was added, this announcement was added. And after that, we have witnessed a 54% bullish rally, and the price action even for the some time broke out this resistance of the up channel that is formed on the daily chart. And after that, the price action entered back in the channel. And on 30th of June, when the event was held, the price action was at the support of the channel, and after 30th of June, the price action started another bullish rally and produced more than 53% rally, and that was same as like the previous rally we have, but this was we had the more higher high than the previous one. And the price action for the some time broke out the resistance of the channel. At this time, it is after breaking out this resistance, it is retesting the support, the previous resistance as a support, and likely to enter in the channel again. However, once the completely candlestick will be not completely closed and open below this resistance level, we cannot consider that this support is broken down, because this was resistance previously and now it is working as support, and the price action is completely entered in the channel back. For example, if it will be entered in the channel back, then we have the EMA 10 and EMA 21 support levels, and at this level we can see when the price action previously entered here, the EMA 10 and EMA 21 showed some flexibility and moved down with the price line and worked as a very good support, and the price action did not break down these support levels of these two EMAs, and they held the price line to move up again. At this time, these two EMAs are working as a same support as they were working here. So we can expect that this time they will provide the push to the price line from this level or maybe up to the support, but I'm expecting from the distance from the support they will provide such support again to the price line. Now, if we watch the Alligator, the Bill Williams Alligator indicator, then the Bill Williams Alligator indicator has given strong buying signal at this time. I've already explained this indicator that this is the combination of three simple moving averages. This is the 5, this is 8, and this is 13. The 5 is called lips, and 8 is called teeth, and the 13 is called jaw. Whenever we have the smallest time period moving above all and the biggest time period moving average below all other SMAs, then it is considered as a strong buying signal or bullish signal. And when we have this EMA 5, sorry, this is the simple moving average 5, below all the simple moving averages, then we have the biggest time period 13 moving average, that is jaw, above all moving averages, then it is considered as a strong sell signal. So we can use, I would still suggest to use this alligator indicator with the combination of this up channel. For example, previously we have seen that here at this level we have received a sell signal by the alligator indicator because we have the smallest time period moving average, then 8, and then 13 was above all. But at that time, the price action did not break down the support of the channel. Therefore, we can use this channel support with the combination of this alligator indicator to use as our stop loss and to also use for the next buying signal. For example, if the price action will be at the support and we will receive the alligator indicator sell signal and the support will be not broken down and the price action will move up and we will receive again the buying signal by the EMAs, this alligator indicator like we have received here, then we can again buy the CELER token. So at this time we have the CELER network is very strong bullish as it is trying to break out this resistance of the channel and having strong support of the alligator indicator as well and the exponential moving averages within this channel as well. Therefore, we can expect that it will start another bullish rally after some correction rally. And finally, I would like to recall this very big bullish butterfly pattern again, and this was the initial leg, then it was retraced between 0.618 to 0.786 Fibonacci retracement level. Here we can see exact retracement is 0.689, and after that it was projected between 0.382 to 0.886 Fibonacci projection of A to B leg, and this is the second confirmation for the bullish butterfly pattern, and then it is retraced all the way down up to this level, that is 1.27, between 1.27 up to 1.618 Fibonacci retracement level. And here at 133, that is $0.00133. This level, the price action has found a very strong support. Therefore, we can consider our potential reversals on from $0.00206 up to $0.00133. And after entering in this potential reversal on the price action is geared up. And as per Fibonacci sequence, it should enter here. This is the Fibonacci projection of A to D leg. If I'll place here, this is the A to D leg Fibonacci projection. We can see from 0.382 to 0.786 Fibonacci retracement level or projection. As per Fibonacci projection or Fibonacci retracement or sequence of bullish butterfly pattern, the price action is supposed to enter here from $0.00715 up to $0.01952. So this can be up to 1,300%, really very big, bullish, and powerful rally. And the price action has started its journey towards the destination. So this was the update so far. I have also shared these targets in the video's description as well, and I've also shared the link of my new blog that I've just started a few days back in the video's description. You can find there, and I will share the complete analysis with all the details in my blog as well, and that will be really very helpful for you. I hope that you have liked the video. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to my channel and do share your comments with me. Take care. Goodbye.